guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been talking about this video for a very long time. It is my giveaway video. So here are the rules. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you can't just subscribe and unsubscribe. You have to stay subscribed. I will check. And you also have to leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Those are the rules. And also, I want to say that if your account is set to private, I will not be able to see if you are following me or not. Just wanted to throw that out there. So if your account is set to private, you might want to change that. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm not going to ramble on. Let's just jump right in. The first thing I will be giving is a CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. We have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Awesome brand. We have the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. We have a few brushes here. This one is by Crown. It is their blush brush. And these two are also by Crown. They are eyeshadow brushes. And this one is by Royal and Langnickel. It's an eye shader brush. All very good brushes. You will also be getting a beauty blender, because everyone always needs beauty blenders. I'm also throwing in the Sephora Enchanted Sky palette. This is such a cute little palette. I'm gonna pull it out just to show you. I'm not gonna swatch it though. It's really pretty. I'm gonna leave that plastic thing on it. Very pretty. And I've read great reviews about it. So one of you lucky ones can try it out. The next thing you will be getting is a lip kit by Pure Cosmetics, Kiss of Confidence. You get 3 lipsticks and then a sparkly gloss. Pure is a great brand. I like them. Next up, you will be getting Pixi by Petra Skin Treats Glow Tonic. I'm also going to throw in this Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner by Scone. And this little Milk Makeup highlighter in the color Lit. You'll also be getting this bag full of awesome samples. And last but not least, I'm throwing in one of my favorite face palettes in the entire world, the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Anyways, guys, that's it, what I have for the giveaway. Good luck to you all. I just wanted to send some love back. I love all the feedback I've been getting from you guys. You guys are great. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. And also, the giveaway will be ending, I believe, around November 10th. I'm going to give you guys about 4 weeks. So, thanks a lot. Have a great day and good luck.